Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Power BI projects tutorial. Today we'll be analyze American Bank Dataset. Here we got dataset American Bank new. Let's open this dataset. Here we see the customer uh, and their full name and their gender and their age, the state and job classifications and date joined and their balance and marital status, etc. So okay, so let's see that we are going to create from this data set. Like we will end up creating this kind of dashboard after the tutorial. So here uh, I I showed four visualizations. Like one is customers by state, customers by gender, and customers by job classification, and customers by marital status. And I used a card like to show the statistical values like number of customers, total number of customers, and their total balance, and the number of total house owners, and the number of renters and loan defaulters. Okay, I have used slicers to make the dashboard more responsive. Uh, Here, if we change the date here, we'll see the changes in this dashboard. And here we can use this slicer education, like primary education, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, and here I use as contact slicer, cellular contacts and the telephone contacts. Okay, okay. So after that we design as much as we can to look it more attractive. Okay, so we are going to create after analyzing this data set. Okay, then the dashboard will look like this. So let's get started. So first I import the data set. Here the American Bank new, and uh, let's go to Power Query by clicking transform data. Here let's see if any changes is needed there. So I think okay, it's okay. No changes is needed there. Every thing is present there. Okay, so let's click on close and apply, and the changes will be applied in this page. Okay, okay. So first I will uh, insert a shape. Let's select this shape. Okay, and uh, okay. Here now let's go to effect and turn here, go to style and select off this turn off this fill. Okay, fill option, and also border, turn off the border, and select the color. Okay, so now go to format tab and select style, and here change the color to, let's say, to this color, or okay, or this color. Okay, okay, and turn off the border. Okay, here Let's change this canvas background by changing the color. Let's choose the color, let's say this one. First of all, reduce the transparency to 0%, and again go to color. Okay. Okay, now our canvas is ready. Now first of all, I'll insert image. Okay, this background or this bank logo. Here I will resize it. Okay, and I'll insert a text box here where I will write American Bank, American Bank. Okay, and I'll increase the size to 36 and bold. I'll increase the text size 36 and bold. Turn it to bold, and here I will resize the text box, and here uh, I'll turn off the background by going to effect and turn off the background. Okay, here okay, okay. So now um, I will create our first visualization, which will be a field map. Okay, so here I'll use I will show customers by state. Okay, by this visualization. So I'll use as location, state as location, and in legend I will also use state, and then in latitude I will use this count of state. Okay, and in tooltips I'll give the balance. So it will sort the, or it will show the locations or states by the order of balance. Okay, so here I'll first of all I will change the title. This title is looking so messy, so I'll set the title to customers, customer by state. Okay, and I'll set the alignment, horizontal alignment. Okay, to center, and here I'll turn off the background, and here in visual, in map setting, I'll change the style of this map to grayscale. Okay, and I can change the color. Okay, this like this location portion, uh, if I want to, from like, if I will first go to this visualizations, and then in fill colors I can change the colors. Okay, but I will now let it the default color. Okay, so here I want to change this like this transparency, uh, reduce. I want to reduce the transparency. Okay, so, or increase the transparency. Okay, so here I want to increase a small little bit of this transparency. Okay, I want to increase a little bit. Okay, okay, Now, and this the border. Let's see. Um, okay. I want to reduce the roundness of the corners. So let's give it. Okay. This is fine. So this is our visualizations, which shows the customers by state. So that means if we go into focus mode, we can see that this the maximum number of the customers are from California, and then are from Nevada, and then the followings. Okay. Okay. And my next target is going to analyze customers by marital status. For this, I'll use a column chart. Here, I'll use marital status. Okay, in x-axis, and in y-axis, I'll use count of marital status. Okay. So first of all, I'll remove the background by going to effects, and then uh, I'll resize the visualization. Okay, and here I'll change the title by giving the name of the title, that customers by marital status, customers by marital status. Okay, and I'll turn to center horizontal alignment. Okay, and I can change the columns colors, like values, by going to values. Uh, Here I can choose this orange color for married, and single. I can choose like this blue color for single. Okay, and now, and my next target is going to show. My next target is to show uh, the customers by job classifications. So for this, I'll use a donut chart, and here I'll use job classification as legend, and in values, I'll use count of job classification to find out the number of customers of each job classifications. Okay, here, first of all, I will turn off the background, and uh, in legend, I want to show the legend in top center. Okay, and here I'll change the title to customers by job classifications. Okay. Okay, so here this donut chart shows the customers by job classifications. Let's increase the size. Okay. Okay, and okay. So our final visualization is okay. So our final visualization is going to show the customers by balance. First of all, change this uh, title. Okay, our next target is going to show customers by genders. Okay, so for this I will select a bar chart, and here I will select gender to legend and also count of gender to values. Okay, and here change turn of the background, and here change the title to customers by gender. Okay, let's resize it like this. Okay, okay, so and change the alignment to center. Okay, here our four visualization is completed. Okay, now we'll make some statistical analysis and use cards. Okay, so let's first I will show the number of total customers. Okay, by giving the customer ID. So there are total these customers. Okay, here I'll turn off the background, and then I'll turn off the categorical label, and here I'll turn on the title. Here I'll say the total number of uh, customers. Customers. Okay, so here I want to decrease, or I want to reduce the size of this value, card value, to 39, and here in title I want to bold it. Okay. Mm, no. Okay, it's fine. Well, next next card we want to show the total balance. So here shows balance, some of this balance. Okay, so turn off the background, and also this, turn on the title, and get the title balance, and also in call out value reduce this size 39. Okay, uh, okay, next I'm going to show the number of house owners by I will get the number of house owners from this feature like house loan. Okay, here I'll use a conditional formatting. Here I'll use only first of all I use count of house loan instead of this first house loan, and then I'll use select only the yes option. Okay, to get the number of house owners, and here we'll turn off the categorical label, and here I'll turn off the background, and here I'll reduce the text size to 39, and I turn on the title. I'll use the title like let's say house owners. Okay, and alignment to center, and reduce the size. Okay, I've already reduced. Then I will use house renters. Okay, or renters, only renters. So let's again use a card. Here use renter. Here this time I will use select. Sorry, this time I will select no option. Okay, so count, and here no. So this is the number of house renters. because uh, they didn't get any house loans. Okay, so they are turned into, or they are staying as house renters. So here I will select this turn off, and I'll turn off this, and I'll turn on the title. Here I will use this renters, and here we use the text size of this card, and here, okay, and turn off the background effects, and turn off the background. And our last card is going to be uh, is going to show the total or the loan defaulters, total loan number of loan defaulters. So here use loan defaulters and set count, and here also we'll use a conditional formatting, and here is use the those the option ECS, okay, of this loan default feature. So click this mark this option, and again let's go into formatting tab and use turn off this background and call out value, reduce the size, and go to title, and is the title loan defaulters, okay, and keep it to top center. Okay, here we are almost done. We only use here some slicers to make this dashboard more responsive. Okay, so use slicers here. First of all, first slicer will going to be date. Okay, so turn off the background first, and then reduce the size or resize as per this dashboard. And then our next slicer is going to show the uh, education. Here I'll turn off the background. Okay, and then in slicer setting, I'll turn it as drop down list. Okay, okay, and our last slicer is going to show the uh, contact. Okay, is it cellular or telephone? So, and I'll turn off the background, and then in visual I'll change that alignment as style. Okay, change the style as style. Okay, okay. So before ending, or before uh, close this project or tutorial, I want to add one line that will make this dashboard more attractive or looking beautiful, which is nothing but a straight line. Okay, so I'll add this straight line to this position, and okay, I'll set this color as black. Okay, I'll select border color as black. So okay, so now this dashboard is looking good. Uh, we have analyzed American Bank Dataset and create this attractive and analytical dashboard by analyzing the dataset. Okay, here we shows the number of customers of each state, and there we have uh, classified the states by these different color. Okay, and then after that we shows the uh, gender classification or the customers by genders. We can see that the number of male customers is greater than the number of female customers. And after that we we have analyzed the customers by their job classifications. Okay, and then we have analyzed the customers by marital status. Okay, and we have done some statistical analysis, and we have shows statistical values in this card. By using this card, like the number of total customers, the total balance, and the house owners, uh, we have extract the house owners, number of house owners by these features by applying conditional formatting. Okay, and we used card to show the renters, the number of house renters and the loan defaulters, and we used some slicers here, like uh, this date, education, and contact. We can select different types of uh, criteria. Okay, so that's all for now. Hope you guys like this video. uh, so till then, stay happy, stay good. Assalamu alaikum.